Hey everyone! Welcome back to Study and Storyline. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive guide to help you pass the exam with confidence. Are you preparing for the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam? This video provides a comprehensive guide to help you prepare for the 90-minute exam. The AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is a highly sought-after credential that validates your expertise in cloud computing, security, and billing. Understanding the exam format. Before we dive into the preparation guide, let's take a look at the exam format. The AWS Cloud Practitioner exam is a multiple-choice, multiple-response that tests your knowledge and skills in cloud computing. The exam consists of 65 questions, and you have 90 minutes to complete it. And here is the 3-steps roadmap for cracking AWS Cloud Practitioner. Number 1. AWS Skill Builder course. The first step in preparing for the exam is to complete the official AWS Skill Builder course. This course is approximately 3 days long and provides a solid foundation for the exam. The course covers the following topics: cloud computing basics, security and compliance, billing and cost management, AWS services and features. The AWS Skill Builder course is a great starting point for anyone new to cloud computing. It provides a comprehensive overview of the concepts and technologies you need to know to pass the exam. So complete the AWS Skill Builder courses to cover the foundational concepts. Have a grip on those topics. If you learn Skill Builder perfectly, you can surely pass the exam, so learn it carefully. Number 2. Additional services to study. While the AWS Skill Builder course provides a solid foundation, there are some additional services you should study to ensure you're well prepared for the exam. Studying these additional services will require approximately 1 day. We recommend reviewing the official AWS documentation and other study materials to gain a deeper understanding of these services. These services include AWS DAX Accelerator, AWS Systems Manager, AWS Fax, Amazon Lightsail, Amazon Augmented AI, Amazon Code Guru, Code Deploy, Code Commit, AWS Code Pipeline, Amazon Connect, AWS EFS Archive, AWS Health Dashboard, Amazon Recognition, AWS Certificate Manager, AWS Config, AWS OpsWorks, AWS Service Catalog, AWS Transit Gateway, AWS AMI, AWS Image Builder. Here's the brief explanation of few. AWS Systems Manager, a cloud-based management service for AWS resources. AWS Fax, a cloud-based faxing service. Amazon Lightsail, a simplified cloud platform for launching and managing virtual private servers. Amazon Augmented AI, a service providing human review and validation of machine learning model predictions. Amazon Code Guru, a cloud-based service for automated code reviews and recommendations. Code Deploy, a service automating software deployments to EC2 instances, on-premises servers, or Lambda functions. Code Commit, a fully managed version control service. AWS Code Pipeline, a continuous integration and continuous delivery service. AWS EFS Archive, a storage service for archiving and storing files. AWS Health Dashboard, a service providing a centralized platform for monitoring AWS resource health. AWS AMI, a virtual machine image for launching EC2 instances. Number 3. AWS Dumps. To help you assess your knowledge and identify areas for improvement, we recommend using AWS Dumps. These dumps provide realistic exam questions and can help you simulate the actual exam experience. Tips and best practices. Here are some tips and best practices to help you prepare for the exam. Start by completing the AWS Skill Builder course. Study the additional services listed above. Use AWS Dumps to assess your knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Review the official AWS documentation and other study materials. Practice with sample questions and case studies. Join online communities and forums to connect with other AWS professionals. Better to write the exam in the month of June or July. You can go through the links provided below for dumps. And for the people who don't know how to assess Skill Builder, you guys don't skip it. Logging into AWS Skill Builder and accessing Cloud Practitioner Essentials course. Step 1. Logging into AWS Skill Builder. Click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your AWS account email address and password. Click on Sign in to access the Skill Builder dashboard. Step 2. Searching for Cloud Practitioner Essentials course. In the Skill Builder dashboard, click on the Courses tab. In the search bar, type Cloud Practitioner Essentials. Select the Cloud Practitioner Essentials course from the search results. Overview of Cloud Practitioner Essentials course. The Cloud Practitioner Essentials course is a 6-hour, self-paced course designed to help learners understand the fundamentals of cloud computing and prepare for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification exam. Course objectives. By the end of this course, learners will be able to 1. Define cloud computing and its benefits. 2. Identify the different cloud deployment models and service models. 3. Explain the key concepts of cloud security, compliance, and governance. 4. Describe the AWS cloud infrastructure and services. 5. Identify the key benefits and considerations of migrating to the cloud. Course outline. AWS shared responsibility and AWS well architecture are the most important topics. Most of the questions will come from these topics, so learn those well. 1. Module 1. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Defining cloud computing. Benefits of cloud computing. Cloud deployment models. Cloud service models. 2. Module 2. Cloud security, compliance, and governance. Cloud security concepts. Compliance and governance in the cloud. Data security and encryption. 3. Module 3. AWS Cloud Infrastructure and Services, 60 minutes. Overview of AWS services. Compute services, EC2, Lambda. Storage services, S3, EBS. Database services, RDS, DynamoDB. 4. Module 4. Migrating to the cloud, 45 minutes. Benefits of migrating to the cloud. Considerations for migrating to the cloud. Cloud migration strategies. 5. Module 5. Cloud cost management and billing, 30 minutes. Understanding cloud costs. Cloud cost management strategies. AWS billing and cost management tools. The Cloud Practitioner Essentials course is a comprehensive and engaging learning experience that provides learners with a solid understanding of cloud computing concepts and AWS services. By completing this course, learners will be well prepared to take the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification exam and start their cloud journey. So, let's dive in and start your journey to becoming an AWS Cloud Practitioner. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exam preparation guides, tutorials, and storytelling.